Welcome back, everybody. First video of 2023, and we have 3M Gloss Hot Pink going on a 2023 Jeep Wrangler. So I kind of wanted to make a quick video before we get into the wrapping. When people talk about price of wraps, just to see how much really goes into this. I gotta take the grill off. I gotta take the fenders off. Not exactly sure what this piece is called. It's gotta come off. Mirrors, handles, the whole top of the Jeep, back fenders, tail lights, handle in the back, all the trim. So there really is a lot that goes into these. So just keep that in mind when you guys are pricing wraps and thinking about getting your car wrapped, that's something that is incorporated in the price. But this is my first time using Gloss Hot Pink. I'm gonna go ahead, do the normal, get a time lapse set up. So we got the hood knocked out. I was gonna film it, but I went on TikTok live. I try to do at least one live video each day while I'm wrapping. So did TikTok live on that. This thing is gonna look so wild when it's done. Real excited. So now I'll get a time lapse set up. Probably start on the passenger side here. So. I was filming and then I really wanted to get to a certain point today, so I stopped filming to kind of focus for a little bit. But fenders are done, hood is done. This little piece between the hood and the windshield's done. I like to work in sections, so I like to do the fender and then get the fender all put back together. Same thing on the front here. Take up the grill, and then you have to remove all the plastic. So I like getting it back together once I'm done. Then tomorrow I should be able to get both sides done, and then hopefully on day 3 start really wrapping everything up. Okay, so we're officially day 2. I already started working on this door here, so I'm gonna get this door done and then I'll start filming on the second door here. Just like my other days, I'm gonna do a live too, so I'm gonna try to keep up with everything. Videos in the future though, I'm looking at getting a cameraman to be in here and help me do these projects so I can keep working and doing what I need to do. But for now, let me finish this door up and then I'll set up a time lapse on the driver's door, or maybe the back. It depends on which one I go live with. So we'll get to it. right, guys, it's finally done. Let me turn around and show you. 23 Jeep Wrangler wrapped in 3M gloss hot pink. We got everything put back together. She's either coming tonight or sometime tomorrow, which would be Friday. But this turned out perfect. I'm extremely happy with everything on here. I'll give you guys a little walk around here. Like I said, Jeep's a lot to disassemble and a lot to put back together, but this just turned out awesome. So if anyone made it to the end, I appreciate it. New year 2023, I'm gonna try to keep up with making videos and making how-tos. I know I say it at the end of every video, but it's something I enjoy doing. So hopefully we keep them going, and we'll see you next time.